Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add upsell products in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store, and then after logging in, go to your Shopify dashboard, and now from the left menu bar, click on the online store button. After that, click on the themes button, and now click on the actions drop down menu. After the drop down menu appears, click on the edit code option, and now the code editor will open. So under the snippets folder, click on the add a new snippet option. And now after that, this pop-up will appear. So you have to name it properly so that it works properly. So here I am naming it DG Cart Upsells. And now click on the create snippet button. After that, go to this link, and now under the heading of creating the snippet, copy the entire code starting from style and ending at /div. Copy the entire code and then go back, and on the new snippet tab, paste the whole code. So after pasting the whole code here, click on the save button. Now get back to the link to the website, and now copy the code again under the heading of upsell placement. This is to decide where we want to place the the cart, the upsell cart. So for that, we will copy this code. And now we are going to decide where we want to put it. So this tutorial is about cart page. So you can place it somewhere else if you want, but here I'm going to find the cart, a .liquid file. And now I will place the code at the very end. So after that, click save button. And now after clicking the save button, after pasting it and clicking the save button, I will go back to the collections page from the left menu bar. I will click the collections button. And now click on the create collection button. So on the title, I will name it Upsells here. So you have to create a new collection for upsells and then click on the save button. So under the collection, you have to add products. So you can select all the products that you want to be upsell. Like here we have selected 3 products, and then click on the add button. So here you can see the products listed and they are active. Now go back to your website and refresh it. And now here you can see the products. And if you select a product, if you add a product to your cart, then scroll down, and here you can see the upsells are also present to be added to the cart. So that's all for this video. That's how you can add upsell products in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.